Probably UD 16s. Probably UD 16s. Yep. Try to find a kit for that. If you could figure out what it is. Yeah, it was Zenith. There's a bunch of them.
Yeah, I think even Carter made some updraft stuff too.
Mm-hmm. A bunch of them did.
I'm not as...
Try to find a kit for it though. Here's the fuel line. Going up into this hose.
The tank is...
And we got an electric fuel pump, looks like. Yeah, we sure do. I don't know if that'll work. I like the alligator clip job there.
What do you figure it's worth? 2,500.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
He's looking for 38, but that ain't gonna happen. Yeah. No, not for me anyway. There's just too much small damage that's hard to.
Yeah, well, where do you get it?
Exactly, you know. I like the radiator. Get the hammer and the nails.
Where's your shop?
What's that?
Northeast Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, Maddie. She's got no brakes. The motor spins over. Clutch works, but there's no fluid in it. So, and all the lines are copper. Somebody put temperature gauge in it, so I'm guessing it run hot. 27,000 miles.
Harrisburg. They still run a flea market out there?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's next week actually.
Is it?
Spring Carlisle. Yeah.